We'll start sharp at 10:35, right? Let us wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start. All right, so we are done with the Carl Pearson correlation coefficient. Is there any problem?
No,
No problem. Okay. Good. Okay, so let me discuss one more question and then we will move on to the next method. Just a second. So the question is the covariance between x and y is 56. Uh, okay, then we have variance of x is equal to 155.2. Variance of y is equal to 110. So you need to calculate uh, the value called Carl Pearson's correlation coefficient. I am giving you 5 minutes only to try that how to calculate the value of R if these three values are given: covariance of x and y, variance of x, and variance of y. How you will find out the Carl Pearson correlation coefficient? Think about it. Anyone has any idea how to solve it? Because there is no what should we say? No data series is given, no X and Y. Direct three values are given, and it has asked you to find out the correlation coefficient, the value of correlation coefficient. So is there anyone who can suggest that, sir, this is how we can find out? Anyone who wants to try? Okay, let me help you out. We when we discussed Carl Pearson correlation coefficient, we said R is equal to covariance between X and Y divided by standard deviation of X into standard deviation of Y. This was the logic, this was the basic concept of given by Carl Pearson for calculating the correlation coefficient. Now, can anyone tell them, sir, this is how we are going to do?
So, what is the meaning of variance x?
What is
What is the meaning of variance x? Like, why should I put that x, variance x value of x?
variance of X? Variance of X series is this, and variance of Y data is this. The data is simple, that they have said that calculate the Carl Pearson correlation coefficient. If the covariance between X and Y is 56, the variance of X is 155.2 and variance of Y is 110. And you need to calculate the Carl Pearson correlation coefficient.
Sir, is variance means x minus x? No,
Sorry,
no, I'm just having confusion with the variance of x. Why should I put it?
that is what the only confusion, that how I mean, we have a formula where it is saying covariance divided by standard deviation of X into standard deviation of Y, but we don't have standard deviation. We have covariance, we can put it as 56, but what about the rest of the values, standard deviation of X and standard deviation of Y? That is why I have taken this question. Now please listen. Always remember that standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. Please note it down and always remember that there is a relation between standard deviation and variance. That is, standard deviation is nothing but the square root of variance. So we have given this these values, like covariance of x and y is 56. Variance of x is this, so standard deviation of x will be square root of 155.2 and standard deviation of y will be square root of 110. Find the value of this, find the value of this, put all these three values into this formula and you will get the value of r. Tell me. Any problem with anyone?
No,
If no problem, then I mean calculate it. Quickly calculate it and tell me the value of r. Anyone? Rhythm, Anurag, Ratrika, Divya, Kia Sarkar, and all the people, Aman, Rashmi.
No,
And if any sort of doubt is there, please ask. Otherwise, calculate the value of r quickly and then we'll be moving on to the next method. Because such question can also come. I mean, we can find out such questions with the marking of maybe 3 marks or 4 marks to understand that whether you are aware about the basic concept of given by Carl Pearson. That is, correlation coefficient is the ratio of covariance between the two variables and the product of their standard deviation. So, answer for R.
sir, is the answer 0.429?
Sorry, what is the answer?
0.429 approx.
0.429. Okay. Let's see what others will say. Everyone quickly post your answer into the chat box. Chat box में अपना
Yes,
answer
sir.
डाल
Zero
दीजिए.
point four two nine.
Okay, so Aratrika and Rishita are getting the same answer. I want everyone to respond.
Yes, sir. 0.43.
0.4643.
0.43.
Okay, fine. So three people have answered. Anurag has also answered. So four people have answered. So I think approximately 50% of the class has answered. But Rashmi, have you gone through the video uploaded on YouTube channel?
Sir, I'm doing bridge classes. Today I'll do the correlation.
Okay. No issue. So I mean, you can calculate it right now because the formula is there and values are there. So you'll have to just use the calculator and give the answer. I hope you are able to calculate the question which is there on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. So most of the students are getting the answer 0.429 or 0.43. Both are acceptable and both are correct. So such question may also come, and similarly. To make it more complex, they can give you the value of this, they can give you the value of this, and they can give you the value of this and ask the value of this, right? So I mean, out of these four values they can give you any three and ask the fourth one. So please be prepared with such questions also. That is why I have discussed this, right? Now, as we said that for calculating correlation we'll be doing two methods. One we have done, Karl Pearson correlation coefficient. So second method is the Spearman's rank correlation. So over here, what happens that for calculating the correlation in Karl Pearson correlation coefficient, it always assumes that the data is normally distributed. Now, what is normal distribution? We'll be discussing this later in the probability. So, if suppose the data is given like the ranking of data is given, you have x and y data, and instead of that data they have done the ranking. Now ranking can be done anyway. They can give first rank to the highest one, they can give first rank to the lowest one, but ranks are given. So they have given one basic formula first. So that formula is r is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1. This is the first and basic formula for calculating rank correlation, and it is like this: 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n square minus 1, where d is the uh, rank of first minus rank of second, n is the number of pairs of data, number of pairs of observations or the ranks, whatever it is. So let us use this formula. Let us take one question. So they have given the rank of the first data and rank of the second data. So they have given the ranking like 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, and ranking of the second is given like 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. So instead of data, they have given you the ranks. And they have asked you to calculate the value of rank correlation, which is r is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n square minus 1. So we clearly know that n is what? N is equal to what?
The
Number
number
of
of
pairs of
observations.
observations.
How much? How many pairs
Five.
are
So
there?
5.
Five.
Five, sir.
N
So
is
5.
5,
Sir.
right? Now we need to find out D first. So D is equal to rank of X minus rank of Y. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. 1 minus 5 will be negative 4. 5 minus 3 will be 2. 3 minus 2 will be 1 and 4 minus 4 will be 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we will take D square. D square means 2 the square of all these values. So 1 square will be 1. 4 negative 4 square will become positive 16. 2 square will be 4. 1 square will be 1 and 0 square will be 0. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now take the summation D square. 22. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So summation D square is equal to 22. So R is equal to 1 minus 6 into 22 divided by 5 into 5 square minus 1. R is equal to 1 minus 132 divided by 5 into 5 square will be 25, 25 minus 1, 24. Any problem?
No, sir.
We can simplify it. We have R is equal to 1 minus 11 divided by 10. R is equal to 1 minus 1.1. What will be the value? Negative 0.1.
Yes, sir.
This is the value of rank correlation. Spearman rank correlation. Ranks are given. We have taken the difference, done the square, and applied the formula. Any problem, guys? Even the
No, sir.
smallest doubt can be addressed. No problem.
No, sir.
Good. Do you need any one question for practice, or is it enough?
So you can give.
I can always give the questions. Okay. So rank one and rank second. Quickly do it. I'll not give you more than 5-10 minutes. More than 5 minutes to solve it. So the rankings are like 10, 8, 1, 3, 6, 4. Just a minute. Okay. 1, 2, 2 will be there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Just check 1 to 10, all ranks are there or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it there?
No, sir. We are missing 9.
We are missing 9. So we can take 9 at the fourth place. Okay. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And for rank 2, it is 9, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 7, 1, 5. Do we have got all the ranks?
So 10.
10 is missing. Okay, so now 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 observation, 10 pairs are there. You just quickly tell me what will be the value of R.
Sir, 0.25.
0.25.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 0.248.
0.248 can be that, yes, 0.25. So two people are getting it, Divya and Rishita, I guess.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
0.249.
Okay, Anjali is saying
248.
0.249. Okay. Anjali, you are coming for the first time in the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So can you give us your small introduction from which place you belong to and what you have done in your graduation?
Yes, sir. I am Anjali Duniwal and I am from Bijanagar, Ajmer. And I have done schooling. I did schooling from VKV Uda and graduation from ICG Jaipur.
Okay, ICG Jaipur. So Anjali, you and Rashmi are known to each other?
Yes, we are friends.
Okay, good, good, good.
Thank you, sir.
Right. So welcome to you, Ian.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So 0.25, 0.249, all the answers are acceptable. That means uh, I can assume that yes, we are clear with this, right? Can we move further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So now this was the case where the ranks were given to us. But what if the ranks are not available? Instead of ranks, the data is given to us. Means something like if we are being provided by x and y with like 5, 15, 25, 35, 10, 20, 45. And over here 8, 64, 56, 32, 24, 16, 80. So they have given you the data instead of ranking. Means you have to rank the data. We have the formula they were asked that calculate the Spearman rank correlation. We have this formula, the same formula. Now the point is that ranks are not given. So if ranks are not given, it's not a big task. We can rank the data. Now you can rank the data in any order. Please listen carefully. You can rank the data in any by following any rule like ascending or descending. But whatever you do for x, do the same thing for y. It is not like that you have done the ranking in x in a way that where you have given the first rank to the highest number, and for y you have given first rank to the lowest number. Then it will be a problem. You can give first rank to the highest number or you can give first rank to the lowest number. This totally depends on you. You can use any of the method. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes.
We are talking about the cases where ranks are not given and we have to rank the data. So let us do the ranking, and I am following the very simple process that I am giving first rank to the highest one. So first we will do the ranking for x. Which is the highest number in x?
45.
45.
So first rank is there. Then
35.
35.
second, then
25.
third, then 20 is
15.
fourth,
20. 15.
then 15 is 5, then 10 is 6, and 5 is 7. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then same thing for y. Highest number in y is 80. So we'll give first rank to it. Then 64, second. Then 56, third. Then 32, 4, then 24, 5, then 16, 6, and then 8, 7.
Sir, you have given 2, then you have given 6. Like, you have given 15 first, then you have given 20.
Sorry.
Sir, in rank X, you have given 15 first, which is ranking 2, and then you have given 6, which is ranking 20.
I'm not getting you. What you are trying to say? I mean,
Sir, in rank X, the ranking of 2 will be 15, right? Like the ranking of 15 will be 2, and you have given 2 first, then you have given the ranking of 20, which is 6. So it should be in complete descending order, right, sir?
no.
45,
We
35,
are,
25.
listen. I have just checked the X series. I have selected, first of all, I have selected the highest number, which is 45. So I have given first rank to it. Then the number which
Okay,
is
sir.
less than 45, it is 35. So second rank. Then number which is less than 35, it is 25. Third rank. Number less than
Then, sir, you
25,
have given 3, sir, right? Because
yeah,
it's, yeah. But before, like, why have given 5 for 35?
5 for 35 where?
After 7, you have given 5, right, sir? Why have you given 5 there then?
You are talking about ranking of X.
Yes, sir.
15 is standing at fifth place. When you are ranking X, forget about Y. You just check.
I'm just okay, yeah. Then, sir, like, why have given 5 there after 7?
Because 15 is standing at fifth place.
Okay.
Wait, wait. 45, 35, 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5.
Okay, sir.
1, 2,
Okay, sir, got
3,
it. Yeah,
4,
understood right
5,
now. Yeah.
6, 7. Please see. But we cannot arrange the data. We'll have to use the data in the same order which is given in the question.
Oh, it means okay, sir, got it.
I did this just to explain you. Otherwise, we need not to do this. Is
Okay,
it
sir.
clear? Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else has any doubt? It's a simple way of ranking the data. Just select the highest, give it first, or you are saying no, sir, I'll give the highest, the lowest, the first rank. You can go in the same manner. But whatever rule you follow for X, follow the same rule for Y. Right? So we have rankings. Now the rest of the things can be done by you. So quickly do it and tell me what will be the value for R, because we have ranks now. I just have to tell you
Sir,
how to rank the data. Yes,
0.679.
very good. 0.679. We have the answer. Okay, let us check it with others.
Sir, 0.68.
Same. Okay, good. Waiting for others to respond.
Sir, 0.68.
0.68. Okay, good. So around three people have answered it as 0.68. Yes, so everyone is getting kind of the same answer, 0.679678.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. Why the screen share is lost? Screen is visible now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I am giving one more question. Uh, okay, do the ranking and tell me the value.
सर इसको ही पहले अरेंज करना है।
Sorry,
सर इसको ही पहले अरेंज करना है सर पहले जैसे किया था। आर
Anurag,
वन
your
आर टू।
voice is not coming clear to me, but I am not getting anything what you are trying to say.
हेलो सर इसको भी R1 R2 में जैसे पहले अरेंज किया था वैसे ही करना है ना।
बिल्कुल, पहले रैंकिंग करिए, उसके बाद में डिफरेंस
ओके
लीजिए,
ओके
स्क्वायर
सर।
करिए, सेम थिंग.
ओके सर थैंक यू सर थैंक
So done.
What is the value?
So minus 1.134 approx.
Negative 1 point something.
Minus, it's coming minus.
Negative 1 point something, right?
Yes, sir. Negative 1.134.
There might be some problem.
The
Sir,
negative point 6.
sir minus 0.6.
Sir, minus 0.6.
Sir, 0. Minus 0.6.
Rishita, you need to check your answer
Yes.
because we have said that correlation coefficient cannot be less than negative 1. That how can it be negative 1.134?
हाँ yes sir. पूरे जीरो हो गए सिर्फ दो फोर.
So point 0.6 is
नहीं
we
नहीं
are
मेरे को
getting.
यही पे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था कि ये वन माइनस तो ये है ना.
Okay, so many people have answered it as, I mean, Anurag, is it positive or negative?
Sir, it's negative.
सर
Okay,
माइनस 0.6।
negative 0.67 or only 6? 60.
सर हाँ
Okay, right. Good, good. So, no problem. You can calculate it. If the ranks are given, if the ranks are not given, we can do it, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. So, I mean, we can keep it up to here only. In the next class, we'll be doing it with one more thing, and that is okay. Let me put one example that what we are going to do in the next class. Uh, 25, 35, 10, 15. 5, 25, 30. And y 6, 42, 30, 12, 6, 18, 20. Try to rank it. Ranking करिए.
सर हाउ वुड बी रैंक बिकॉज वहाँ पे रिपीटेशन है.
Sorry.
सर आपने x में 2 बार 25 लिखा है ना, तो रिपीटेशन में कैसे रैंक करेंगे?
Yes, that is the only thing we need to understand. है ना? And this is we are going to do in the next class. There will be some adjustment in the ranks and there will be some adjustment in the formula, and we'll be doing it in the next class, and then we will finish up with the rank correlation. Okay? So that's all for
Okay.
today. I'll see you on Monday in the next class. So till then, please revise. All the recordings are available on UEM Jaipur YouTube channel. So the people who have joined late, just go through the all the recordings. If there is any problem, you can always ask it during the class. We can have a discussion on that. But please go through all the classes, right? So I'll see you in the next class. Thank you. Test is scheduled, so please attempt it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, welcome.